Hello folks, welcome back to my channel, House's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a very simple spaghetti dish called poor man spaghetti. Have you ever had poor man spaghetti? It's very economical and loads of flavor. Ingredients: spaghetti, eggs, Pecorino Romano cheese, crushed red pepper, black pepper, and minced garlic. First thing first, let's get our spaghetti going. Bring a large pot of water to boiling. Once it's boiling, add generous amount of salt, maybe 1 tablespoon of salt, and tablespoon of olive oil. Then drop a 1 pound of spaghetti and give a good stir so it doesn't stick together. Dry spaghetti usually takes about 8 to 12 minutes to cook to that perfect al dente texture. Always check the package instructions because cooking time can vary depending on the brand. And remember, the best way to know is taste it. While the spaghetti is cooking, place a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of butter, tablespoon of olive oil, and let the butter melt. When the butter melted and foamy, add 4 cloves of garlic that you minced earlier and saute for about 30 or 40 seconds until fragrant. Crack in 2 eggs and softly scramble them, stirring continuously until they are just set and still tender. Be careful not to overcook them because we want them light, creamy, and full of flavor. Then add a pinch of crushed red pepper. Follow with a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we do some magic. Add a scoop of the starchy pasta water right into the pan. Start stirring, keep mixing until everything comes together into a silky, creamy sauce. Now it's time to bring all together. Add the hot, freshly cooked spaghetti straight into the egg. Quickly toss and mix everything together so the pasta gets fully coated. Now for the flavor booster, generously sprinkle in the freshly grated Pecorino Romano cheese. And I should tell you, don't be shy. This is where the bold, salty magic comes from. Toss and mix everything quickly while the pasta is still hot so the cheese melts fully into the sauce. Keep stirring until it turns rich, creamy, and perfectly coated. Now grab a small pan and place it over medium heat. Add a little bit of olive oil and crack in 2 eggs. Let them cook slowly until the white are fully set and the yolks are bright and runny. And just like that, the dinner is ready. I'm serving myself a generous portion of spaghetti, topping it with the perfectly cooked sunny side up egg. A few cracks of freshly ground black pepper add an amazing aroma and a punch of flavor that takes this simple dish over the top. Okay, this is my poor man spaghetti, which is all done. And as you see, this is egg yolk running. Oh, this is the poor man spaghetti. Let's taste. This is absolutely delicious. You should try this recipe. Poor man spaghetti from Napoli. This is something that you're gonna do week after week. It is so simple, and everybody can do that, I guess. And enjoy this. Please share it with your friends and family. This is really tasty, really, really good. This dish is absolutely good. Very good. Number one. Okay, my friend, this was my poor man spaghetti. As you saw, with a very, very few ingredients, we made an incredible dish, which is very delicious and also is very economical. If you love this dish, please comment and follow, and subscribe to my channel. And always I'll bring to you another special and delicious dish.